Hello friends, after I got this Suzuki Vstrom 250, I've got a few accessories for this vehicle. A crash guard from Legendary Customs Bandidos Pit Stop, saddle stays from the same company Bandidos Pit Stop Legendary Customs, which comes with the jerry can mount as well. You can see the jerry can mount. I got the top box from Bandidos Pit Stop as well, 40 liters one. This was in my previous vehicle, Apache 204B. I just transferred the top box to this vehicle, and since this comes with a good top rack, it was easy to mount. I have a Bobo mobile holder, and it is a non-chargeable version because you've got a charger USB socket here. I got a Motorwolf mirror GoPro mount, and I got another GoPro mount for the front viewing camera, which is from a company called Plantoff. You can easily mount and dismount using this temporary screw. I got one of these GPS mount from a company called Motorcare in Bangalore, and I got it from a shop in Udupi, but to my sort of dismay, I would say this is not working because you can see it can be only mounted this way. There is little space between the windshield mirror and this one. So if you mount your mobile mount, or if you mount your GoPro mount, what happens is once a vehicle goes over potholes, because of the like frequent movement of the glass, it makes a sound and there is a corrosion, so it's not very useful. I'm going to remove this Motorcare GPS mount, which was not useful. I paid around 1,300 for this one, total waste of money. And now I don't need it because I was trying to use this for a GoPro so that I can mount this one on here, and I try to mount. I'll show you. I try to mount, and I try doing this, and then what happens, as you can see, is there is no space, and so it's not useful. Even for a mobile mount, I tried to mount a mobile mount, that's also not working properly. So yeah, that's been a waste of money. Motorcare GPS mount for Suzuki Vstrom. Bandidos did have one, and I didn't require like a mobile phone holder because I have one in here in Bobo. Bandidos one is a real good one, 3-step adjustments, side adjustments, and it can actually extend your windscreen as well. So if you want to go for a GPS mount, go for the Bandidos one. And as you can see, this is the crash guard with the sliders here. One major thing which had to be adapted was the engine mount. The engine mount's bolt had to be removed because of the short of length, and another longer bolt had to be fitted for mounting this crash guard. So that's the only adaptation which the workshop man had to do. And while mounting this one, the saddle stay, the pin had to be removed from like the back foot peg, and now this can't be taken fully back because of the lack of space here after fitting the saddle stay. But as you can see, the pillion foot peg comes inside the vehicle, unlike the Pulsar, so it's absolutely fine. And yeah, this Bandidos 40 liter JB Racing top box has been fantastic. It's got a cushion over here for your pillion rider. I'll just open it and show it to you how spacey this top box is. You would have seen this in my Apache, and I made a small review of this top box as well. as you can see, one helmet mounts easily. Two helmets can be mounted easily as well. So with this space, and overall this is removable. You can unscrew the bolt and remove anytime. I've easily removed when my wife or an elderly person need to just come into this vehicle. And it's got a briefcase sort of easily done. So these are the accessories I purchased for the Vstrom: saddle stay, crash guard, mobile holder from Bobo, non-chargeable one. This has got a USB charger inbuilt, so no need for a holder with a charger. This is a Motorwolf mirror mount for the GoPro, and this is another plant off for the front camera GoPro. And this is the only mistake I've done. I bought a Motocare like GPS mount, which is actually produced in Bangalore through a guy in Bangalore. Motorwolf store. He's been a very nice guy. But the issue is that it's not workable because of the lack of space, and there's only one height which is adjustable. So overall, that's been a sore experience. Other than that, all these accessories has been really good. And now in Kerala, as they have banned helmet camera, these two GoPro mounts should be very useful. So overall, the money I've spent for this is, when I look at the crash card from Bandito's Legendary Customs, 5,899, which is very cheap, because if you go for the BMW one, it is costing something around 12,000, almost similar vehicle. And this one cost me like 3,500 including shipping. Very good, robust quality. This Legendary Customs one from Bandito's has been top notch, and even this one is top notch. The top box from this is JB Racing. They're not a budget brand, but still it's very good quality. Slightly you can see a gap which is opened up after 3 or 6 months of use, but still it's solid. And except this one, the Motor Tribe, which is I've spent a lot of money, 1,300. I got one from Bandito's for 1,200 as well. So yeah, except that, Bobo phone holder has been fantastic. Motorwolf cost me like 1,100. This cost me 1,500. So the other one 1,300. Bobo cost me like 1,100. So these like 1,100, 1,100, 2,200, 2,200 plus 1,500 is around 3,700, 4,700, around 5,000 altogether. Yeah, but this one I'm going to remove because I didn't like it, and these two cost around 6,000 plus 3,500. So and this top box was like, when I got it, was around for like 6,000. So overall, if you look at the accessories for this vehicle, the cost is like 6,000, 3,500, 9,500 plus 6,000, 15. This was already with me, so I've spent around 15 without the price of this one. If this the price of this is included, it comes around 20,000. But this makes your vehicle safe, and you can use the saddlebags with a free state of mind. So altogether, friends, that's it. That's what I've done for my Vstrom SX 215, the accessories I got it for. And Bandito's has been very professional, very fast shipping, sort of what do you call European experience as far as I'm concerned, if you look at the quality of the accessories and the way they do things. So yes, friends, here ends my video for Vstrom SX 250 accessories which I have got. Thanks for watching. Bye.